S550. I'm going to be doing the front brakes. Driver's side is the reservoir. I like to uncap mine. Makes it easier to compress the piston, I think. This has 4 pistons, 17mm lug nuts. Let's take it off now. Alright, tires off. Alright, now there's just 2 pins inside here, along with your sensor. Pin there, pin there. Just punch them out from there. And unplug your sensor from right there. Pin, pin, sensor. Unplug it. Let's do that now. Small punch and a hammer works just fine. Tapping it out. I already unplugged my sensor, as you can see. If you tap out the top pin first, it makes it easier to get the bottom one out. I just sprayed a little PB Blast. Brake pads from Mercedes, of course, and sensor. So we're gonna take these old pads out now and compress our piston. Alright, so I have a pin, 2 pins, and a clip out. I'm using my ratcheting brake tool so we can compress those pistons using the old pads. C-clamp also works. Pry bars. Just have to compress those pistons. Let's do that now. Alright, once you compress those pistons enough, brake pads are pretty free. Just take them up out of the caliper now. Alright, pistons are compressed. There's 4, 2 on each side. Gonna install our brake pads. And we have a sensor as well. Install those now. Alright, the new pads just slide in rather easy. We're gonna put back our clip and pins and route our sensor over that. So let's put it in there. Alright, so you can see how the clip is put back in. Pins, you can kind of see them through the side. In the back there, you should see that they're clearly tapped down. Now we're going to install our sensor on the outer brake pad, because that's the way they came off of this car. Alright, so here's our sensor. This piece here you guys see. Alright, there's how the pad's set up. Sensor's gonna go in bigger end on the inside of the pad. The end with a notch, it's gonna go inside like that. Clip in. I like to put a little WD-40 on the tip of mine sensor, and those 2 notches. There's 1 on each side. Just plugs back in, just like that. Little tug, make sure it's in. Make sure that's in. And there you go. Now you just cover back your reservoir on top. Put back on your wheel. Pump your pedal. That's the S5. Front brake pad and sensor replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.